Welcome to R.test, your AI-powered adaptive assessment platform. In this tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to use R.test to prepare yourself for the upcoming test. Our AI, alongside personalized analytics, will measure your test readiness and reveal ways to improve your score. We'll start with the basics, such as signing up and test taking, before diving into a breakdown of the analytics report. If you're ready to get started, then follow me. First, let's go to rtest.ai or simply click the link below in the description. If you are new to R.test, then simply register by clicking Sign Up. You can quickly register with your Google account or any other email address. Just like that, you're all set to use R.test. On our homepage, select the test that you're interested in under the Available Tests section. For this tutorial, we'll select the Digital SAT since it's the latest edition. That will bring you to the Test homepage, where you can learn more about how R.test effectively prepares you for the exam. Now we're ready to get down to business. In the next video, we'll explore test practice options and get familiar with the test-taking screen.